count 0 to 20. Let's start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, let's learn the color of the numbers. The color of 0 is green. The color of 1 is pink. The color of 2 is yellow. The color of 3 is orange. The color of 4 is green. The color of 5 is orange. The color of 6 is pink. The color of 7 is yellow. The color of 8 is green. The color of 9 is blue. Oops! The number 10 has two colors. One orange and the second is green. The color of 10 is orange and green. The color of 11 is pink and yellow. The color of 12 is blue and yellow. The color of 13 is green and orange. The color of 14 is orange and green. The color of 15 is pink and orange. The color of 16 is blue and pink. The color of 17 is green and yellow. The color of 18 is blue and green. The color of 19 is pink and blue. The color of 20 is orange and green. Now you know the numbers and colors. Now let us repeat them. 0 green, 1 pink, 2 yellow, 3 orange, 4 green, 5 orange, 6 pink, 7 yellow, 8 green, 9 blue, 10 orange and green, 11 pink and yellow, 12 blue and yellow, 13 green and orange, 14 orange and green, 15 pink and orange, 16 blue and pink, 17 green and yellow, 18 blue and green, 19 pink and blue, and 20 yellow and green.